What we have here today is a 52-inch Litex Signet Deluxe. Manufactured by Air-Cooled back in 1989. 3-speed electrically reversible. Finished in a polished brass finish with oak cane blades, pointed tip. Blades, of course, are plain on top. Blade pitch is around 11 degrees. On top here, we'll get a downrod ball socket mount. Could also be flush mounted. Right there is the main information tag on the top. Footprint vent faceplate, filigree sideband. Motor inside the fan is a 153 by 20, somewhere in that ballpark. The light you see on the fan is original, except for the center globe. The original globe would have been a frosted globe with those clear flower imprints around the side of it. I know that's because that's what it had on it when on the listing on Marketplace when I picked this fan up along with that white crest fan that I just filmed. So I guess it got broken. It is what it is. Let's turn that on, see what it looks like. Now, I'm not 100% sure that this is a Litex fan. Air-Cooled manufactured fans for a numerous amount of stores, brands, distributors, what have you, in the late 80s. So it really could be anything. But for now, we'll just call it a Litex Signet Deluxe. Let's go ahead and jump in and start it up on low. Another thing of note that I forgot to mention a little earlier is the downrod that you see on the fan is also not original. When I got the fan had a antique brass 2-foot long downrod on it. I had that 4-inch downrod in my parts bin, so I put it on this fan for good. So it has an audible hum to it, but other than that, a pretty nice low. Take it up to medium. Blades are warped on the fan, so it causes a wobble. Not really much of a bearing noise on this fan, thankfully. If there is, it's very, very slight. Which is always nice to see. And here's high. High speed here, we're cruising at around 200 RPM. With the 11-inch degree blade pitch, it's a decent performing fan. Of course, nothing too extravagant, but it gets the job done. Turn the light back on. And that's all I have for this one. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch polished brass Litex Signet Deluxe, manufactured by Air-Cooled back in 1989. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.